Hello friends, how are you? So in this video that you see here, I made 10 days ago a video on the how to prepare for the CFAT or Canadian Forces Aptitude test, and there was a link that I showed you where it took you to the SM University practice test questions. So in that video, there were questions and answers. However, there were no explanations to the answers. So in this video, uh, I will show you the solution to the answers in the problem solving section. So because the problem solving questions are 30 questions, it's gonna take a very long time to show you the solution of those 30 questions. So in this video, I will only show you the solution of the 10 questions, and the rest I will do in another video, being part 2 and part 3. 10 questions each. So let's get right into it. Gonna move my screen. So this is the first question of the problem solving. At a provincial campground, 25% of the sites are for family tent camping, 60% are for family RV camping, and the rest are for groups. What percent of the sites are for groups? A, 85%, B, 15%, C, 75%, and D, 40%. So the correct answer is B, 15%, and I'll show you how 50% was the answer. So we were given 25% as the family tent camping, and 60% is the family RV camping. Now the unknown is what's the percentage for group. So let X be the percentage for group, and then all we have to do is to subtract the percentage of family tent camping and family RV camping from 100. So then we got X is equal to 100% minus 25% minus 60%. Then the answer is 15%. Okay. Number 2. Which number comes in the following sequence? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The correct answer is B, 32. So the solution here is multiply the previous number by 2. So we can see 1 is multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, and 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. That's why it's letter B. So yeah. Number 3. Which number comes in the following sequence? -3, 9, -5, 25, -7, 49. Correct answer is C, -9. So the solution is the second number in the sequence. Show the sequence. The second number in the sequence is 9, which is the product of squaring the first number, which is -3. And the third number is -5, which is the next odd number after -3. Now the fourth number is 25, which is the product of squaring the third number -5. And so the sequence continues. The fifth number is -7, which is the next odd number after -5. So then the sixth number is 49, which is the product of squaring the fifth number. Okay, therefore the next number in the sequence is -9, which is the next odd number after -7. Okay. That's why we get -9 as the answer. Okay, moving on to number 4. So the question here is the figure on the figure. So we can see that the triangle is rotated 90 degrees to the left, and so then the answer is letter B, because if we rotate the figure to the left, the T now will be upright, the T inside the triangle. So see, the second figure is rotated 90 degrees to the left, so the answer is B, which is the triangle that has the upright letter T inside it, right there. Yeah. So rotating 90 degrees to the left. Number 5. If 25% of a number is 76, excuse me, what is the number? Correct answer is C, 304. So how did we get 304? We let n be the unknown number. So then 76 is equal to 25% of n. 76 is equal to 25% times n, or simplifying it, it will be n is equal to 76 divided by 0.25. So then, but then remember that you are not allowed calculators in the CFAT exam, so you must know how to do long division manually on paper. So if you do that manually on paper, we arrive at n is equal to 76 divided by 0.25. The correct answer is 304. Number 6. 2 out of every 5 Canadians read at least 10 books a year. What percent of Canadians read at least 10 books a year? So correct answer is C, 40%. So how did we get that? Well, it's said in the problem it's 2 out of 5. So 2 out of 5 is we divide 2 by 5 using long division again, because calculators are not allowed in the CFAT. We get 0.4 by long division, and 0.4 is 40% right there. Okay, number 7. If the probability of an event happening is 7/8, what is the probability of it that it would not happen? The correct answer is C, 1/8. But how did we get 1/8? Well, we were given 7/8 probability of an event happening. So then we let x be the probability of an event not happening. And then we subtract 7/8 from 1, but 1 is equal to 8/8. So x will be 1 minus 7/8. X is equal to 8/8 minus 7/8. Therefore, x is equal to 1/8. Number 8. So the number 5 is rotated 180 degrees clockwise. So then the correct answer would be B, because we need to rotate the figure 180 degrees clockwise as well. So then the V would be an inverted V, and the I would be on the right side of the V. Okay. Number 9. Sam's age is found by subtracting 7 from twice 21. Then adding 11 followed by dividing by 2. How old is Sam? Correct answer is D, 23. So I'll show you the solution. So let x be Sam's age. Step 1 is to subtract 7 from twice 21. So x is equal to 21 times 2 minus 7. So we get x is equal to 42 minus 7. We get 35. Then the step 2, it says to add 11. So then 35, we add 11 to 35, we get 46. Then the step 3, it says to divide by 2. So then 46, we divide by 2, we get 23. Okay, that's why we get 23, letter D as the answer. And number 10. Number 10 is an age problem. Jürgen is twice as old as Francine, who is 8 years old. Add their ages, subtract 6, and divide by 3. What is the result? Correct answer is D, 6. So, solution. We know that Francine is 8, and it says Jürgen is twice as old. So then we get 2 times 8 equals 16. So it says that we need to add their age right there, subtract 6, and divide by 3. We add their ages, 8 plus 16, we get 24. We subtract 6, we get 24 minus 6, we get 18. And then we divide by 3. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Okay. And because the video is long, I'll finish only until 15, let's say, and then I'll do the other half from 16 to 30 in the next video. Okay, so let's go on with number 11. What is the sum of 3/4 added 120 times? So correct answer is C, 90. So the solution is to multiply 3/4 by 120. So we got 3/4 times 120, we get 3 times 120, it's 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90. Pretty straightforward. Number 12. What percentage of 135 does 45 represent? Correct answer is B, 33%. So the solution is that we divide 45 by 135 using long division because calculators are not allowed in the CFAT. So then we get percentage is equal to 45 divided by 135. We get 33%. Number 13. Every second, the colony of viruses quadruples its number. At a particular time, the number of viruses amounts to 655,360. How many viruses were there in the previous second? So then the answer is 163,840. How did we get that? We need to divide 655,360 by 4 using long division again because no calculators are allowed. So we get 655,360 divided by 4, we get 163,840. Okay, we're almost done the first half of the math questions. Number 14. Two stores are selling inline skates. Store A has a price of $149.95 with a 15% discount. Store B offers a 10% discount on a price of $139.95. What is the difference in sale price between the two stores? Correct answer is C, 150. So the solution is we get the store price for store A. We minus 149 minus 15.15 times 149. So we get that 15% discount. So we get 127.46 as the price for store A. So store B, it says that it offers 10% discount. So we subtract 139 minus 0.10 times 139.95. 10% discount, so we get 125.96. Then now we need to subtract 127 minus 127.46 minus 125.96 in order to get the difference of the prices between the two stores. So we get the difference as $150.50. Okay, so that's the answer right there. Okay, last question, number 15. Find the result of the following calculation. 22 over 9 divided by 11 over 3 minus 1/4 divided by 1/8. Correct answer is minus 4/3, letter C. So solution. So remember in math that if we are dividing fractions, we need to change the operation to multiplication and then multiply the reciprocal of the divisor. So then we get 22 over 9 times 3 over 11. We inverted, or we get the reciprocal of 11 over 3, which is 311. And so we cancel. By cancellation, we get 22 over 3 times 1 over 11, canceling 9 and 3. So we still have 3 there, 22 over 3. And then we do another cancellation because 22 and 11 can be cancelled. So then we get 2/3. That's the step 1. And the step 2, we have another division here. So we change the operation to multiplication and we multiply the reciprocal. So we get 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. And so now the final operation is subtraction. 2/3 minus 2. 2/3 minus 2 times 3 over 3, which is 1. So then we get 2/3 minus 6/3. We get negative 4/3. Okay, number 16 to 30, I will do in another video. There it is right there, but I will show you that in another video because now it's 21 minutes. You might be bored, so I'll do it in a different video. So cheers and have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.